Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app.
For this operation, get hold of the air filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now be able to easily see the airbox to change the filter. To remove the air filter, you must first remove the airbox. Using a T30 Torx key, unscrew the airbox retaining screw. Remove the breather hose. Using clamp pliers, squeeze both ends of the clamping clip to release it from its grip, then slide it. Then remove the duct. Unclip the metal hose located on the airbox. Disconnect the air inlet conduit. Then remove the airbox, which is clipped onto its bracket. Using a T25 Torx screwdriver, unscrew the 9 screws holding the airbox cover. Open the airbox. Take out the air filter.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Take the new filter. Compare it to the old one to make sure they are identical. Put the new filter in place, pushing it down into its housing. Close the airbox cover. Then screw the 9 screws back on. Reinstall the airbox and intake duct. Then reattach the collar with the pliers. Then screw the retaining screw back on. Put the breather back in place. Clip the metal hose back on. Put the air inlet conduit back in the airbox. Then reattach the collar with the pliers. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.